Thank you. Let's take a look at. Right.
अभी मुझे क्या बोला सबको बताओ।
मैं सलमान सर से अभी कहा कि मैं एक्टिंग और डायरेक्टिंग में बहुत चाह रखता हूँ, तो मैं करना चाहता हूँ उनके साथ थोड़ा।
जहाँ पर मौका मिलेगा तुझे फिट कर दूँ। Same college, but I went to Xavier's and Elphinstone as well, and eventually I was thrown out of both the colleges.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a privilege to have Salman do this with us, because this is not the first event of this kind that you've been doing. And unlike many other stars, you actually put your money where your mouth is, which is important. Which you don't often. It's important, and I think the Being Human Foundation has been about that. How important is this cause to you? Is this just about branding, or is this something that you're deeply committed to? Is there something when you saw that Malcolm event that made you feel really just, made you feel a human, and you saw these superhumans before you?
देखो राजदीप, I think जब मैं कोई ब्रांड साइन करता हूँ, तो मैं देखता हूँ फर्स्ट चीज़ ये देखता हूँ कि मैं ये खाता हूँ, पीता हूँ, पहनता हूँ, अगर नहीं करता हूँ तो नहीं साइन करता हूँ। अब जो भी मैं करता हूँ, मैं पहले पूछता हूँ कि ये how much are they going to do for being human? Once they agree on the being human side, then I get into the dealing with. So tomorrow, my career might not go so well. I hope not, and they might not take me thumbs up anymore. But Being Human Association, I hope that they would, keep me with.
तो Being Human आपको ज़्यादा मायने रखता है बगैर आपके पिक्चर के?
जी हाँ।
क्योंकि एक आपके
इसमें कैच है कि मुझे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलेगा अगर मेरा ये करियर भी ठीक ठाक चले, और चले कि कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पर हो गया और यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, तो ज़्यादा करके फिर लोग मुझे भी अवॉइड करना शुरू कर देंगे।
But you've done something. आपने एक चीज़ की है. You've done something in every Being Human store now across India. You have a specially able person employed. And that's already begun. And that's a commitment you're making, that as you expand, there will always be one person, a special person.
जी, हर स्टोर के अंदर there will be one different able person working there with us.
And therefore, this commitment, since he said that the moment.
एक बार जो मैंने commitment कर दी.
So therefore, you are committing to Wheel 2 and Wheel 3.
Wheel 24.
Wheel 24. That's good enough. Ladies and gentlemen, it's, as I said, a proud privilege to be associated with Salman Khan and his continuing commitment to this cause for the differently abled, for the specially abled. Thank you very much, Salman, for being part of it, and thank you for giving dignity, in a sense, to so many people. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Salman and Devu will stay back, but Palki has more.
Thanks, Raj.
मैंने इनका शो में देखा था. I was watching TV and आप आई थी और आपकी माँ आई थी, और I was so amazed कि ये कैसा नाच रही है, and I tweeted about it. ये सीखा कहाँ से आपने?
डांस का शौक तो शुरू से था, बचपन से ही. तो जब ये हो गया था तो अपने आप ही अंदर आया कि करके दिखाऊंगी, एक टांग पे भी नहीं छोड़ूंगी, डांस तो करना ही है, जो मर्जी हो. शोज करूंगी और फिल्मों में चांस मिलेगा तो जरूर करूंगी.